Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a seriously overlooked engine saving secret. Seriously, this one tip is like the unsung hero of car maintenance. Ready to hear it? Alright, let's get into it. So, what's this magical, engine protecting tip? It's all about, drumroll please, checking your oil level regularly. I know. It sounds super basic, right? Like, duh, everyone knows that. But trust me, you'd be surprised. How many people completely ignore this simple act? And ignoring it? That can be a costly mistake, my friends. Think about it this way. Your engine is a complex beast with a lot of moving parts. All those parts need lubrication to do their job, without grinding themselves to bits. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, keeping everything running smoothly. If your oil level drops too low, those parts start rubbing together with no protection, which causes excessive friction, wear, and tear. This leads to serious issues down the line like overheating, reduced engine life, and ultimately, expensive repairs. Here's the fun part: checking your oil is incredibly easy. You don't need to be a mechanic or have a garage full of tools. All you need is a flat surface, your car's owner's manual, and a clean rag or paper towel. First, make sure your car is parked on level ground and the engine is cool. Then, locate the dipstick. It's usually bright colored and has an easily identifiable handle. Pull it out, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then pull it out again. Take a look at the oil level on the dipstick. There are usually markings indicating the min and max levels. If the oil is below the minimum mark, you need to add some oil. Now, here's a pro tip. Always keep an extra quart of the right type of oil in your car. Your owner's manual will tell you which oil your car needs. It's way easier to top off your oil when you see it's low, rather than waiting until it's critically low. And speaking of oil, make sure you're getting your oil changes done on time. This also keeps your engine happy and healthy. So, why is this so underrated? Because it's not flashy. It's not a performance upgrade. It's not sexy. But it's absolutely crucial. People tend to focus on the exciting stuff: the new rims, the fancy stereo, the latest tech. But neglecting the fundamentals is like building a house on a shaky foundation. No matter how cool the roof is, if the foundation crumbles, the whole thing goes down. Checking your oil regularly is cheap insurance for your engine. It takes only a few minutes every couple of weeks, and it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs down the road. It also helps you catch any potential issues early on. If you notice your oil level dropping rapidly, you might have a leak, which you can then address before it becomes a major problem. So, next time you're heading out, take a minute to pop the hood and check your oil. It's a small step that can make a massive difference in the long run. Trust me on this one. It's like the secret handshake of car care. Don't be that person with a blown engine. Your future self will thank you for it. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.